Hi students, today we are going to start the new biology terminology book of the Maharashtra board, that is biology textbook page number 1. Reproduction is defined as the creation of a copy of something or the act of sexual intercourse to create an offspring, or the process by which an organism produces its offspring is called reproduction. Asexual reproduction is reproduction without sex. In this form of reproduction, a single organism or cell makes a copy of itself. The genes of the original and its copy will be the same except for rare mutations. They are clones. The main process of asexual reproduction is mitosis. Sexual reproduction can be defined as the mode of reproduction in which the haploid male and female gametes cells fuse to form a diploid zygote cell by the process of fertilization. Cloning is the process of producing genetically identical individuals of an organism either naturally or artificially. In nature, many organisms produce clones through asexual reproduction. Cloning in biotechnology refers to the process of creating clones of organisms or copies of cells or DNA fragments. Fragmentation in multicellular organisms is a form of asexual reproduction in which an organism is split into fragments. Each of these fragments develop into matured, full grown individuals that are identical to their parents. Budding is a type of asexual reproduction in which a new organism is formed from a bud of an existing organism. The new organism remains attached to the parent organism till it gets matured. Organisms like Hydra and yeast reproduce by budding. Spore formation is a method in asexual reproduction. It generally happens in non-flowering plants such as fungi and bacteria. In this, the parent plant generates thousands of spores which individually grow in a plant. These spores are microscopic and round in shape and grow in suitable condition. Binary fission, that is division in half, is a kind of asexual reproduction. It is the most common form of reproduction in prokaryotes such as bacteria. In binary fission, the fully grown parent cell splits into two halves, producing two pools. Conidium, that is plural conidia, are asexual spores that are formed at the end or the side of the conidiospore, a specialized hyphae structure that produces the conidium. Conidia are the fungus' primary method of reproduction. Gemule formation. It is an asexually produced mass of cells which are capable of developing into a new organism or into an adult freshwater sponge is termed as a gemule. They are small bird-like cells which are formed by sponges to withstand unfavorable environmental conditions. For watching the terminologies present on second page of the textbook, please like, share and subscribe.